channel, The Baking Diva. Well, before I begin, I just wanted to mention to you that The Baking Diva is my main channel, but I do have a second channel called Air Fryer Recipes 101, where I do all easy air fryer recipes for beginners or for those that have been using their air fryer and maybe just looking for a new recipe. So today I'm making you something that basically could go on either channel. So I'm going to put it on my Baking Diva channel for now, and then I may change it up a little bit and put it on my Air Fryer Recipe 101 channel. So you can check out both of them. And if you haven't already subscribed to the Air Fryer channel, head on over there. I'll put the link down below, and you'll be a subscriber. And you'll get notifications for both. So today I'm doing something super easy. I posted yesterday a video, and it was like a little quiz, and it was all about Cadbury eggs, and how they originated, and when they originated, and why they're so popular, and how many they make a year, and yada. So today I wanted to follow that up with a Cadbury egg recipe, and this is going to be my air fried Cadbury eggs. So what do you say we get started? Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a roll of the refrigerated crescent rolls. And then you're going to need some of the Cadbury Cream Eggs. Now, I have purchased quite a few. This is a box of them that has, I think, let me see, only 4 of the fairly large ones. I also have some of the tiny ones, but I think I'm going to use these today. So just bear with me. I'm going to move the camera in a little bit, and I'm going to focus it over here so you can see better what I'm doing. Okay, I'm back. It's not necessary for you to see me as long as you can see the board and you can see what I'm working on. So first I'm going to open the roll of the crescent rolls. These come in the refrigeration department of your food stores. So you just peel this back, and I like to give it on the seam a big bang, and it usually pops open. Let's see if it works. Yep. Okay. Let me take the crescent rolls out of here. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to unroll these on my little board. Okay. Got to be a little gentle with them because they have seams, and sometimes the seams open up, but that's okay. You're going to open up the seams anyway. All right, so let me roll this out. It's a little sticky. Just took it out of the refrigerator. All righty. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. All right. Now you have the perforations, but I'm going to use a knife anyway, and I'm just going to cut it. So what you want to do is you want to cut your triangles. That's simple enough, right? So you want to end up with one of these. So let me cut those for you. This is such a simple recipe. On my air fryer channel, I also have the fried Oreos and some other goodies if you want to go check those out. Those are really delicious. And even if you don't like Cadbury eggs, I will tell you, these are pretty darn good when everything melts inside. Let me move this aside. Okay. Unroll this. Alrighty. Now, what I'm going to do with these is I am going to preheat my air fryer on 350 degrees. You can use any air fryer you have. I have 3 of them. Can you believe it? I started out with this baby over here, the Ninja. with the basket. And then I got the Ninja with the double baskets because I wanted to be able to make more in it. And then for Christmas, we gave the hubby the Power XL, and he has that one. All right, so I'm going to just move these aside so that you can see what I'm doing one at a time. All righty. So I can do a lot of them off camera. Right now, I just want to show you how we're going to do this. So we have our triangle here, and here we have our egg. Obviously, you have to unwrap your Cadbury egg. Now you can use the smaller ones. They have the mini ones if you want. But I'll probably do both today. So you're just going to flatten this out. You're going to put your egg here. And you're going to cover it up like you're putting a little diaper on a baby. Here we go. I like to roll it like that. And then I pull up the sides. You see how we're doing it here? The main thing you have to remember to do is close all your seams. You don't want to have any of the seams open. They all have to be closed. See that? And that's it. There's no rhyme or reason behind it. You see that? I closed all the seams. Here you go. And that's how you do it. So we'll do one more for you. This is a little skinny one, so I'm going to spread this out a little bit. Let me unwrap another egg. These eggs are pretty big. These have the fondant in them. You can get the Cadbury eggs now with the caramel in them too. So if you go back and you watch my last video, you'll learn all about Cadbury eggs. So see, I'm just going to roll this one right up. And I'm just going to squeeze my seams closed, just like this. All right. All righty. Pretty easy, right? So let me do the rest of these off camera, and then I'll be back. We'll pop them in this air fryer, and when they're done, we will do a taste testing, so don't go away. Okay, so as you can see, I wrap these up just like a little baby in a blanket. I'm opening up my basket, and I'm going to spray it. Use any non-stick spray you want. I happen to have the olive oil one, but use any one you want. Then I'm going to gently put these in here. Make sure you don't have the them touching one another. I'm just doing 4 to start out. Putting them in the basket. Now, okay, so I'm putting the air fryer on air fry. I'm going to put it on the 350 degrees. And this should take about 6 minutes. So let's put it on 6 minutes. And then we'll open up the basket and we'll see if they're nice and golden brown. And then we'll remove them. Let them cool for a few seconds and we'll do a taste testing. So here we go. Okay, the air fryer just went off at exactly 6 minutes. So let me see what these babies look like. Oh, look. I'll put in a still for you so you can see, but they look pretty darn good to me. Oh, they look perfect. So with my tongs, I'm going to put them on this dish. Oh my goodness, look at this. What I would suggest you do is, do you know the little pieces of parchment that they sell that you can put in the air fryer, or a piece of parchment paper? I would put that on the bottom because they do tend to stick a little bit if you don't. So I want to get these out without them sticking. Okay, these are very, very hot. So I'm going to cut one in half. I'm sure they're going to be ooey gooey. And then I'm going to give them a taste testing. But see how easy that was to make them? Oh yeah. Ah, Betty hot. Oh my goodness, look. Let me get a picture so I can show you what the insides of these look like. Delicious. Let me get my fork because these are still pretty darn hot to eat. Oh my goodness. Crunchy dough on the outside. Oh my. And all that melted chocolate and fondant on the inside. So good. So, you saw how easy these were to make, and they're delicious. So give them a try. I usually put the recipe down below in the description box, but I don't think I need to for this. So, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. These are best eaten when warm. And give them a try. I think you'll like them. So, thanks for watching. The dog is barking now because she wants some. Yes, she does. So anyway, don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the little bell, make a comment, and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to go over to the air fryer channel. So love you all, appreciate each and every one of you. Hop, hop, hop Easter! Toodles!